Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, we are back in Las Vegas for just one day. It's insanely hot, and I'm seriously regretting why I live here because it is way too damn hot. And we're going to be talking about this news case real quick, but first I'm going to go drop off these shoe orders and hopefully I'll stop sweating in a few minutes and then I can get back to this video. So, be right back. So, today, we're going to talk about, I just got an update on the guy who basically put his dick in an officer's Chipotle order. It's probably the best way to put it, I guess. Anyway, so, long story short, if you guys haven't seen the previous video I made on this, basically, a Doordash driver put his dick in someone's guacamole, basically, and then left a note under it and said, like, hope you like hope you like the way my dick tastes, bitch. Yeah, that actually happened. So, we have an update on this guy who had just gotten out of jail. So, let's talk about this real quick. Ex-Doordash driver accused of tampering with Chipotle order of an NYPD employee was remanded, I don't know what remanded means, by a judge Friday for violating his parole in an earlier case. Lance Lane, 30 years old, allegedly dropped off a food order at the 61st Precedent in Brooklyn on Monday after placing a note inside of it, "Hope that dick tastes good, bitch." Bro, what the fuck is wrong with you? Okay, this guy just got out of jail, so maybe he doesn't like law enforcement. I guess that's a safe thing to like guess. Lane also took a picture of the order and posted on Facebook, literally admitting to the crime. What a genius. You know I'm about to violate the shit out of this order, 61st Precedent. I dreamed of moments like this. You dreamed of moments of fucking someone's Chipotle order? It's very, very interesting dreams that you have there, sir, Mr. Lane. Judge Claudia Daniels held Lane without bail because the Chipotle incident violated the terms of his parole. Doordash, how did you hire someone on parole? This is how low your qualifications are? Lane, who claimed to reporters that the discussing Chipotle incident was nothing more than a prank, is on parole in the shooting through November 2024. He has an extensive criminal history. See what I said, Doordash? You should have listened to me. You should probably do like interviews or something rather than just hire anyone who applies. His extensive criminal history has allegedly been a member of the BLOODS gang. Oh, wow. Well, at least he joined the right gang because he's wearing a red. Doordash BLOODS. Interesting choice of independent contractors you're hiring. BLOODS and served more than 3 years. Hang on one second. I'm in the El Pollo Loco line. Gotta grab my food real quick. Alright, let's continue with Mr. Lane's case here. Interesting choice of independent contractor so far. So we got a guy who's in the BLOODS, just got out of jail, he's on parole, doing Doordash driving. Okay. Then it says he has an extensive criminal history, has allegedly been a member of the BLOODS gang, served more than 3 years in prison for aggravated assault, an attack on the police or peace officer in April 2011, cops said. Lane sued the city for millions of dollars in connection with his 2011 run-in with the cops and won $33,000 settlement in 2012, city records show. Lane alleged in his Brooklyn federal lawsuit from 2012 that during the melee he accidentally shot himself and that officers interrogating him on the 60th Precedent and beat him up before they sent him to the hospital to receive medical attention for the wound. And they show a picture of him basically in handcuffs, getting dragged out. He also claimed they hurled racial assaults at him and pressured him into false confession. The court papers say he denied shooting anyone but himself. This is getting really weird, let's be honest. Okay? let's see. Let's continue. What else we got? The city did not admit to any fault or liability when it settled in the case of Lane, according to the court papers in March 2012. State prison reports show that Lane was sentenced to 10 years behind bars for his conviction in the case. He served more than 3 years and was released on parole in 2019. And this is the first thing this like, you decided that screwing with someone's cop's Chipotle order was a good idea and then admitting to it? Did you not learn your lesson, dumbass? Two of the cops involved received slaps on the wrist for not giving Lane medical attention, including a 10-day blah blah blah. Okay, this is all about this case that he was like basically sentenced to 10 years for. And that is all. So, Doordash, you're hiring guys that work or that are gang members of the BLOODS. Known? They're known? It says there's police reports of all this documented. Bro, what the hell? Like, really? Okay, well, it's a very interesting way, an interesting turn of events. Like, I mean, as soon as I read this for the first time, like, this whole incident, I was like, wow, how irresponsible do you have to be to basically put your dick in a cop's Chipotle order while you're doing Doordash? Like, obviously you didn't want, or he didn't really care to continue to Doordash, but like, Jesus, this is ridiculous. Like, the fact that Doordash would go like not see this. I almost got fired for a reckless driving ticket that I got 5 years ago, and this guy got hired? Really? Okay, well, anyways, hopefully you guys have a good day, and hopefully you don't put your dick in any Chipotle orders today. I know it's hard to resist that, though. It sounds very tempting. Anyways, okay, if you guys enjoy these videos at all, please consider subscribing to the channel, and also smash the like button for this video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.